Hi all, welcome. Today I'm going to do a Louis Vuitton unboxing. I have just few items and my little boy was eager to help me. Now let's start with the top. It is the Lunar New Year red packet. Looks like this. It is in red and gold. Here is the details. Okay, now the other one, gold side. Too bad they didn't make it in tiger print because this is gonna be the year of tiger. But anyway, that is the Lunar New Year red packet. Now the second one. It is just the strap that I got for my next item, the Monogram Strap. That is the shoulder strap. Now let's move on to the third box. Here is the star of the show, my new Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy, the new model with detachable strap inside. Just open it. I will show you the strap. Looks like that. Now I'm going to take over and show you the details of this little cutie. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
Here is a closer look of this new Nano Speedy. The facade is pre-patina. It is darker than the usual Louis Vuitton facade. The best thing about this one is the detachable strap. I have sold my old Nano Speedy because the strap was not detachable, and I'm glad I got this one. It is way better in my opinion, even though it is a little bit smaller. I will measure this one for you. The width of the bag is around 6.5 inches or 16 centimeters. The height is around 10 centimeters or 4 inches. The depth is around 2.8 inches or 7 centimeters. So it is a very small bag, but I'm glad that my phone fits. This is 6.5 inches phone. The phone fits nicely inside. It is such a relief because after I placed order for this one, I found out that the new Nano Speedy is smaller than the old one. Here is the SKU number if you want to order the bag. Now I will put on the strap that comes with this bag. It is a facade strap. It is adjustable and it looks so cute with this bag. And this strap, I will put it on. I get this one because I want to change the strap whenever I got bored with this one. And funny thing was, I had this strap before and I sold it. I don't know what came over me, and now I buy it again. Luckily they have one in stock, so I will put it on to show you how cute it looks with the Nano Speedy. It comes with this shoulder pad, but I don't want to use it now. This is enough for me. Look how cute is this Nano. Okay guys, that's all for my unboxing today. I will be back with what fits inside this Nano Speedy soon. Thank you for your time and see you again soon. Bye.